right, starting off on Mother's Day, guys, it is going to be very warm. We're not expecting precip. It'll, in fact, be hot in the afternoon. 94 degrees. Southeast winds 20 to 30 miles per hour. For my mom, a lot of times we've gone out bass fishing. She loves to bass fish. Mom, it's going to be awfully hot this time. Paths so far across the area. When we talk about the tornadoes, crews were out surveying yesterday. Crews are going to be out surveying again today. There are so many tornadoes that have touched down since Monday. In fact, about 24 in total. But the tornado that touched down south of Tecumseh was an EF1. The one to the west of Maud had a 31-mile-per-hour track right up through Seminole, right up to I-40, and lifted just to the west of Okemah completely. But along this path, a dozen tornadoes that touched down. Remember, that circulation was about 2 miles wide. It never set down as a 2-mile wide tornado, but within that, multiple tornadoes. And one that hit Seminole, there was some EF2 damage, and then the one near Earlsboro. So what I'm going to do is zoom on in and take a closer look. If you were watching us live, you saw us tracking this storm, and then wait, it's moving northeast. No, it's moving west. No, it's actually moving south. Yeah, it did. It took a complete 360 on the eastern sides of Earlsboro, came in from the north, literally virtually crossed its exact same path right along Highway 9, and then started tracking to the east. It was an EF2 on the east side of Earlsboro. Wild things happen when you get so much energy wrapped up around those storms. That's why you've got to pay very close attention, and that's why it's very dangerous for storm trackers if they aren't experienced, okay? There's still a lot of folks without power. We've been updating this map. Pot County, 300 customers without power. Seminole County, 2,000. And that's going to be like that probably for a while. Crews have updated those numbers quite a bit from this morning. And then we got to talk about all the rain. Of course, not to leave out the hail. We had a lot of baseball-sized hail yesterday, a lot of golf ball-sized hail. And the portions of the state that had all the rain, a foot of water from Haskell over to Okmulgee. Look at the lakes in eastern Oklahoma. 10 killer, unreal, 25 feet above normal. Eufaula is up, Keystone is up, Kaw is up. So when we start talking about those summertime temperatures and heading to the area lakes, make sure you're checking to make sure the boat ramp you're planning on using is even accessible or open. Pike Pass Skycam Network live from downtown. Sunny skies, 54 degrees, low 50s to the north, 60s to the south. It's beautiful for your Friday and your hour-by-hour forecast. 65 by noon, 74 degrees into the afternoon. And we've got north winds that'll stay light and then eventually come around out of the south by this evening. It's going to be an absolutely beautiful day. 80s in western Oklahoma today, 89 in Guymon. It'll be much hotter, and we will start to see the Panhandle cook as we head into the day tomorrow. The big picture on water vapor imagery, there's the big area of low pressure. This is our upper level storm that brought us the severe weather ahead of it on Monday, and then again at the backside and leading edge of it as we headed into your Wednesday. Now behind it, we've got sinking air, and that causes the temperatures to actually increase, keeps cloud cover away, and that's why we're going to start to cook on the backside of that thing. A ridge of high pressure builds in. 50s on the way for tonight. And here's your Saturday. Average high is 75 degrees. We'll see 80s, 90s in the southwest Altus, 98 degrees, 100 in Guymon. That's tomorrow. Southeast winds 10 to 20, some gusts to 25. And look at your Sunday. 89 in Tulsa. Then you get to Oklahoma City. 94 degrees. Yes, the record on Mother's Day. 96 said back in 1918. And then you look in western Oklahoma, especially areas that did not get all the rainfall. I know you had some, but not nearly enough. With the drought ongoing, I'm afraid some areas get to 100 plus on Sunday. Monday, still in the 90s. Now, we do have storm chances that creep back in Tuesday into Wednesday. Right now, isolated chances, better chances in the west, and those could be severe. We'll watch for that. Another system trying to move in by next weekend. Back to you guys.